Hi everyone, this is Chris Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some incredibly wholesome updates from two of our absolute favorites. If you are a fan of seeing these stars truly thrive, you are going to love this. Shenyu is finally back to feeling like her bright, bubbly self, and Dylan Wang is absolutely crushing it on his latest drama set. Let's get right into the details. Shenyu reclaiming her joy and free time. First up, let's talk about the wonderful Shenyu. After wrapping up filming for her drama Be With Me, she has been taking some well-deserved personal time to recharge. And honestly, seeing her happy and relaxed is everything fans could have hoped for. She recently updated her Xiao Hongshu with a caption that truly touched fans' hearts. She wrote, "My bubbly self, my procrastination, and my love for pre-made meals are all back." It is so reassuring to see her embrace her authentic self, enjoy her free time, and just live in the moment before jumping back into work. From playful street photos to cute moments, checking out local spots, and hanging out with her dog, her current vibe is all about peace and healing. But don't worry, she won't be gone too long. Her July schedule is already teasing an advertising shoot and some exciting film festival events. Meanwhile, Dylan Wang is also making waves and giving fans plenty to be excited about. His upcoming drama, Empress Reborn, where he stars alongside Meng Si, is already generating massive hype online. Leak behind the scenes, glimpse, and official looking stills of their characters, Xi Jingxing and Shen Miao, have been driving the fandom wild. Fans are showering the production with compliments, especially after seeing glimpses of the incredible on-screen chemistry during an outdoor romance scene. No wonder Xi Jingxing is supposed to be so smitten. The visuals alone are top tier, and we absolutely cannot wait to watch this play out on screen. As fans, there's nothing better than seeing the people we support genuinely happy. Whether they are enjoying their own company on a quiet day off or giving it their all while shining at work. We are sending so much love and praying for their continuous healing, happiness, and peace as they navigate their massive careers. What do you think of Shenyu's sweet update? And how excited are you for Dylan's new drama? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye! Take care!